been a month since the Taliban took over Kabul from the Afghanistan government. However, the Taliban continues to face several challenges as it tries to establish a government in a war-torn nation. The recent takeover of Afghanistan by the Taliban has pushed the country into fear, especially women and children. After the US government withdrew its forces from Afghanistan, thousands of people continue to search for pathways to safety. Here is the timeline of the Taliban's one-month rule in Afghanistan. Several Afghans and foreigners rushed to leave the country, leading to chaos at the Kabul International Airport. Several civilians were killed during the evacuation process. US President Joe Biden broke his silence on the withdrawal of US troops from Afghanistan, though his administration received a lot of criticism across the world. Taliban spokesperson Zabihullah Mujahid gave his first press conference after the takeover with a strict deadline for the United States to evacuate its troops from the country. While the US Central Command stated that America carried out an airstrike in Kabul to eliminate ISIS-K suicide bomber, a researcher claimed that the civilians killed in the attack did not belong to any terror group. On August 30, while US General Frank McKenzie announced the completion of troops withdrawal, President Biden thanked his armed forces for the evacuation process. Biden said that the decision to withdraw forces was not only for Afghanistan, but also about ending the era of US military operations to remake other nations. Taliban have claimed that they have seized control of Panjshir province along and defeated anti-Taliban forces of the National Resistance Front of Afghanistan led by Ahmad Massoud. Panjshir Valley is the only region that the Taliban failed to capture as resistance forces continued a tough fight. Even though the Taliban declared victory last week by posting videos of their fighters raising the flag, resistance forces have vowed to fight the Taliban. Mullah Muhammad Hassan Akhund was appointed as the Prime Minister in the 33-member Taliban government. Sirajuddin Haqqani, the son of the Haqqani Network founder, was named the new Interior Minister. Mullah Yaqub was made the Defence Minister, while Mullah Hidayatullah Badri got the Finance Minister portfolio. As Taliban's takeover of Afghanistan has left the Western powers in a dilemma about recognizing the new government in Afghanistan, Pakistan, China and Qatar have stepped up efforts to assist the Taliban. Pakistan said it would provide basic supplies to Afghanistan, which included cooking oil and medicine. Meanwhile, China announced to send $31 million worth of food and health supplies to Afghanistan.